Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to combine multiple sheets into a single file or sheet. If you have questions, please leave a comment. Also, you can download the sample file in the description below. If you like the video, don't forget to like and to subscribe at the end. So let's get started! For this case, we're gonna be combining three different sheets into one single file or one single sheet. So I want to show you here the three sheets that we're gonna be combining. I have a sheet for January, another one for February, and another one for March. The important thing to notice is that all of the sheets have the same number of columns. For instance, here we have a country for column A, product for column B, country group for column C, date for column D, and sales for column E. And all of the sheets have the same columns. For instance, in February, as you can see here, we have the same columns on the first row. And for January, we also have the same columns. So now that I show you the data we're going to be combining, I'm going to close this file and I'm going to open a new file. On this new file, what I want to do is to go up to the menu bar and I'm going to look for the option that is called data and I'm going to click it. And after I click it, I'm going to go to the left side and I'm going to look for the Get Data option. I'm going to click it. I'm going to select from File and I'm going to select from Excel Workbook. So what we're going to do here is to open the workbook that I was showing you before. So this is going to bring the Import Data window. I'm going to select the file that I was showing you and I'm going to click here on Import. This is going to take a couple of seconds and I'm going to get this new window. On this window, as you can see, I have the sheets that I showed you before. I have one for February, I have one for January, and I have the one for March. So I'm going to click here on Select Multiple Items and I'm going to select the three sheets. And I'm going to click here on Transform Data. It's going to take a couple of seconds. And a new window will open. This new window will be the Power Query Editor. The Power Query Editor has a lot of functions, but today we're only going to focus on the one that helps us to combine different sheets. So first thing that I want to do is to make sure that I'm on the Home tab and I'm going to look for the option that is called Append Queries. I'm going to click it and I'm going to select Append Queries as New. It's going to take a couple of seconds and I'm going to get this new window. And the window says concatenate rows from two tables into a single table. In this case, since we have three or more tables, we're going to select that option. And I'm going to get these panes right here. I have available tables and on the right, I have tables to append. So February seems to be already included. So I'm going to add January and I'm going to add March and I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, I have a new table that has all of the data from the previous sheets. And this new table has the same structure: country, product, country group, date, and sales. But now this single table has all the rows from the three different sheets. And I can verify that here on date, I have January, February, and March. And now the final step is to click here on Close and Load. It's going to take a couple of seconds. And there we go. All of my single sheets are now combined into one. And I can check it here as well on date. I have January, February, and March. And it seems that everything's working now. On a different video, I'm going to show you how to refresh the data and how to add even more tables to this one. Alright guys, I hope that video was useful. If it was, don't forget to leave a comment, to like, and to subscribe. Please help me to stay motivated to make more videos and tutorials for you. Finally, don't forget that the files used for this video are available for download on the link below. Thanks again and see you next time!